Ever wondered why we have these fuzzy caterpillar-like things above our eyes? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to share some eyebrow-raising facts that will make you appreciate these often overlooked features. First off, let's talk about the practical function. Eyebrows are like nature's umbrellas. They play a crucial role in protecting our eyes from moisture, sweat, and rain. Imagine you're out on a hot day, and the sweat starts to trickle down your forehead. Instead of dripping directly into your eyes, the eyebrows catch that sweat, preventing it from obstructing your vision. Similarly, when it rains, eyebrows can help redirect raindrops away from your eyes, keeping your line of sight clear. These little furry protectors do a wonderful job of enhancing our comfort and keeping our eyes safe from the elements. But there's much more to eyebrows than just their protective function. Eyebrows are essential for our facial expressions. They play a key role in conveying emotions. Think about it, when you're happy, your eyebrows might arch up. When you're angry, they might furrow. Without eyebrows, our faces would be much harder to read, losing much of the nuance that accompanies our emotions. If we didn't have eyebrows, we would all look a bit like confused eggs, smooth, round, and featureless. This means that eyebrows are an important aspect of non-verbal communication, allowing us to express our feelings and react to others in a way that words alone cannot convey. And here's another fascinating tidbit: eyebrows help us recognize faces. Research has shown that eyebrows contribute significantly to how we identify and remember people. They serve as a sort of visual signature for our faces. When you see someone, your brain takes in their unique features, and those distinctive brows help reinforce their identity. This is why some people can often recognize someone just by seeing their eyebrows, even if they can't see the rest of their face. It's a remarkable part of the way our brains process visual information, underscoring the importance of even the smallest features on our faces. Now, let's get into the cultural aspect of eyebrows. Throughout history, societies have placed great importance on eyebrow styles and their grooming. For instance, in ancient Egypt, both men and women adorned their eyebrows with kohl to emphasize their beauty and express their status. In different cultures and time periods, the shape and thickness of eyebrows have varied dramatically, influenced by fashion trends. Today, the beauty industry has taken eyebrows to another level, with various products designed to shape, fill, and highlight them, emphasizing their role in beauty standards. Whether it's pencil, gel, or pomade, people are actively crafting and defining their brows, making them an integral part of their personal style. And let's not forget the rise of social media and its impact on brow trends. With platforms like Instagram and TikTok, eyebrow trends can spread rapidly, influencing how people groom and style their brows. From bold, dramatic brows to natural, feathery looks, the way we view and shape our eyebrows continues to evolve. It's become a form of self-expression and creativity, allowing people to showcase their individuality. So, the next time you're caught in front of a mirror, plucking or drawing on your eyebrows, remember, you're not just grooming, you're crafting your identity. Those little arches above your eyes pack a powerful punch, shaping not only your appearance but also your ability to express emotions and connect with others. Who knew that such small features could wield such remarkable influence in our lives? Eyebrows truly are nature's work of art, serving essential functions while also allowing us to express creativity and individuality.